Hi friends, happy Asynchronous Friday. Today for ELA, you are going to be tackling some more troublemaker words. Do you remember last time you had some tricky words, but you used some strategies to help you figure them out? Well, we are going to be looking at some new troublemaker words today. And guess what? Those are the same words that you have for your spelling for this week. So let's read our goal first. It says, I will practice tricky spelling words and look for them while I am reading. Okay, what were some strategies that we used last time to help us tackle those troublemaker words? Well, I know that when I find a tricky word, I like to study the word first. So I see if I can read the word part by part, syllable by syllable. Then I also like to figure out what part of the word is tricky and what is making it so tricky. For example, in the word friend, I notice that the tricky part is the IE. I think that I should be saying the word friend, and it makes it so tricky for me. But when I practice that word over and over, I know I can tackle it and it's not going to be tricky for me anymore. So last time you looked at some troublemaker words, you also did something to help you tackle them. You covered the word, you wrote it, and then you checked it. Do you remember doing that? Did it help you tackle the troublemaker words? I think it did. This week, we are going to be using some different strategies. So today, you are going to be using this worksheet to help you tackle those troublemaker words. You are going to be writing 8 of your spelling words, and you are going to write them in rainbow color. Then notice that there is a line for each of the words. You are going to use your words in a sentence. Then you are going to use this other worksheet, and you are going to try to use the code that you are given on the top. So notice that every letter has a symbol for it. You are going to use those symbols to spell out your spelling words. Here's an example of how I used the symbols to write out a secret code. Notice that I spelled out the words, "You are great." That is what you are going to do with your spelling words. Use the symbols to spell them out. It'll be a fun way to tackle your troublemaker words. Then after that, I would love for you to go into Spelling City to practice your spelling words even more. Once you are done with all of those steps, I want you to go into Raz Kids or read a book from your book baggie. While you are reading, I want you to look for those tricky troublemaker words. See if you can find them and read them. Maybe they're not so tricky anymore. All right, my friends, that is it for ELA. Bye.